Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. December the 11th, 2025. The KSE-100 index was hit with a high volume rejection at the 170k level today, signaling the first real distribution of this rally and raising very serious questions about the strength of the broader uptrend. Let's look at the chart. Okay, so this is where we are at. An 877-point drop for the day, minus 0.52%. Let's look at the price action on a cleaner chart first. Look what's happening over here. There was an uptrend of sorts within the market consolidation period. Higher highs, higher lows, all the way up to here. But what's happened at the highest high now? Here we formed a shooting star. That is a textbook candlestick short-term reversal signal. And on the following day, we have made a big bearish engulfing candle. Another very strong bearish reversal signal after an uptrend. And where has it happened? Let's take a look. What has it happened? It was this high that was unsuccessfully challenged over here. But more importantly, now let's get to our indicators. This has happened on high volume. For a long time now, the market was oscillating at very moderate, below average volume levels. Last few days it picked up, and today especially was very strong. Another thing, look at the RSI. What's momentum telling you? Remains in bullish zone above its own moving average. But look at this, momentum is cooling off, plateauing. What is MACD telling you? Still strongly positive, but the histogram is beginning to contract, signaling slowdown momentum. ADX still too low, still too weak to form a strong trend. One more thing that has happened over here. Take a look at this. As this was forming a high, there was a divergence in the MACD histogram. And remember, this divergence is a very strong signal and has been in the Pakistani market, especially for a long time, signaling a short-term reversal. So all in all, our verdict for the day would be that the index has met real supply at the 170,000 level, registering a high volume rejection bar while staying above its EMA cluster. So technically still bullish, right? Structure is still bullish, but today looks like the first proper distribution day of the move ever since this was beginning, because it was on high volume, raising odds of a short-term consolidation or a deeper test of the 10 and 20-day EMAs. This is a very interesting time to watch the market like a hawk. Stay tuned.